Just a quick little video. I've got one weighted pendulum in the foreground and an unweighted length in the background. And according to what I've read briefly, the only thing that alters the period of a pendulum is the length of the bob. The weight on it doesn't make any difference. So I thought I'd try it out. And I was getting a big difference. And I thought, well, perhaps the weighted one is got more friction. So I've gone through all the trouble to put ball bearings on the top so that friction's reduced. And this is what happens. There's a clear faster period for the unweighted one. So I apologise, John, for arguing against that. I don't understand it because from what I've read, it's only the length of the bob that should make a difference. But of course the weighted one has got inertia. With all those experiments I've done showing the difference of acceleration because of inertia, you'd think, well, perhaps that is right, but it wasn't what I was expecting. I thought they should be the same. Well, they're not. And it's not friction. So there you go. I thought I'd put that on in being open and honest.